Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do one of the basic fluid art techniques, that it's flip cup. You layer your paints in your cup, put it on canvas, flip it and tilt it. So I will start with some phthalo blue, and this is metallic cobalt blue. I'll just layer this on top, and I will add some pearl white, as I said, for some effects, hopefully. I have quinacridone nickel azo gold. Love this color. And some just a regular gold. This is Lucas brand gold. And some red violet by Amsterdam. And this is permanent violet by Vallejo. And these will be my colors for today. Love this combination. Okay, so this will be my cup for today. I will flip it on the canvas, just like that. Wait for a second, and then we will see what we will get. You see, we definitely have cells, no matter that we didn't use silicone oil. So I have to tilt this now. Just hope that I will not tilt all these beautiful cells off. So after all, we will end up using silicone oil. I just put some silicone oil in this, and I will just pop this into the paint. So here she is. I think that it's really beautiful. All those cells are just amazing. With all those rings around. I got this light. So cute. So at this point, this chameleon cell technique is really good for if you want to create the flowers with the finger dip technique. You can, you know, easily go with your needle in a flower shape, or even, you know, here where you have 3, if you press your finger, it will be a flowery kind of shape. Look at those cells here. Aren't they cute? Yeah, so let me know in the comments. I still have paint left, so I can definitely, or maybe I will even just do it in case if you want to see it, because I'm here, and then we can compare the two of them. So definitely you can create nice flowers with that. Yeah. Okay, so hope it will be dry, that I can show you the dried results tomorrow. So here she is dry, and I love it, I really do. Those cells are just so beautiful. Perfect round cells with those rings around. Just gorgeous. I don't know what happened with my, look at those, with my pearl white that didn't create nothing. I have a new badge of my binder, and maybe this was the problem. Wow, look at this cell here. Just gorgeous, isn't it? And those here are just so cute. Yeah. But at the end, these chameleon cells just worked perfectly, I think. Love it! So this was it for today. Hope you like it too, and see you again on the next one. Bye!